Hey y'all, this is Brantley for Smart Furniture. Welcome to my home office. Today I'm going to tell you the story of the Humanscale Path Chair, the most sustainable ergonomic task chair on the planet Earth. So Humanscale sent us this great task chair, and on Monday I unboxed it and assembled it. Today's Friday. I've been sitting in it ever since. So after I tell you the story, I'm going to also give you my review of the Humanscale Path Chair. And the story of this chair starts with the ocean. This chair contains over 10 pounds of ocean-bound and ocean-reclaimed plastic. The ocean-bound plastic was harvested near coastlines, preventing damage of coral reefs and fragile shorelines. The ocean-reclaimed plastic comes from plastic fishing nets collected from fishermen. These fishing nets are actually processed into some of the major structural components of the chair, including the arms. In addition to ocean-bound and ocean-reclaimed plastics, plastic bottles are recycled and used to make all of the knitting in this chair on the seat back and the seat itself. And industrial plastic waste is used in other structural components, including the casters. This is plastic waste that comes from the industrial process, the manufacturing process. Well, Humanscale collects all of this plastic and then upcycles it for components of its path chair. And finally, all the metal components of the path chair come from recycled mixed metals like steel and aluminum. But now, let's talk about the chair itself. As I said, I've been sitting in this chair for 5 days now, and I really like it. It's a very simple chair, not a ton of adjustments, and that's one of the things I really like about it, the simplicity of the design. A couple of adjustments to take note of are the arm height. Simply press the button underneath the arms and move the arms up and down. It's a very smooth motion, high quality design. And then we also can adjust the cylinder height or the seat height itself. This is a greaseless pneumatic cylinder, so there's not a lot of chance for dust to build up in the mechanism itself. So it's designed for longevity. Very simple adjustment there. And the final adjustment that you might want to take note of is let me turn this over for you so you can get a look at it. This adjustment lever right here moves the seat depth forward and back, just like that. So if you're taller and you have longer legs, you can set it forward or set it all the way back. So it's good for a range of heights. So now let's take a look at the seat base itself, which is what houses the gravity mechanism right here. Again, this is the mixed metals, recycled mixed metals, plastic, recycled plastic, ocean-bound plastic. And let's see how this thing works. So the concept is based on gravity. So when you sit throughout the day, as you move and as you adjust your body, the chair automatically adjusts with you. It raises when you raise up a little bit, and it reclines to meet the weight of your recline. That's the gravity-based mechanism, and that's what adds to the simplicity of this chair. Because 3 or 4 of the adjustments are automatic that you would find with a typical ergonomic task chair. With the path, it just happens as you move every day. No need to continually readjust your chair throughout the day. There is no planned obsolescence with this path chair. Humanscale designed this chair to be very simple. In fact, if you remember the assembly video, there were 4 parts, no instructions. So each one of these parts can be individually replaced. You can replace the seat back. You can replace the seat if it fails for any reason, which it probably won't. You can replace the base. You can replace the cylinder. And I guess, you would probably have to replace the casters if you needed to go to a soft caster from a hard caster. So a little bit more than 4 if you include the casters. But otherwise, you can completely rebuild this chair as it degrades. So you will never have to dispose of this full office chair. And that's one of the cool things about it. Longevity, Sustainability. That's what this chair offers. And great ergonomic design. And I guess the last thing I would say about it is that, you know, I've been sitting in this chair 8-9 hours a day for the past 5 days. No pain points, no pressure points, nothing at all. I really like this chair. If you're into the sustainability and you're into comfort, you might want to check out the Path chair.